I bet the existence of every iOS user's life is transferring files over USB. If they use a very slow USB 2.0 standard over their Lightning port that has been in use for the past 7 years, it's about time they move to USB Type-C in my opinion. Problem with it is that it's really unreliable to get files from the phone to the computer. It fails half the time, you can't find files. I have a perfect example of it right here. So if I go right into my directory or my mom's iPhone, which I recorded some video that I need for another video on. As you can see, there are only 2 photos, but if I pop into the iPhone, as you can see when I go into the Photos app, there are a lot more than 4 videos. If I don't have that, I'm basically screwed on the video. So I really need to get that, but I don't really know how. Doing a quick web search, I actually found this app called AirTransfer by the good old Dong Oi Sui. So I think that I'm gonna try it. It looks like they do have in-app purchases, which I hate. And it looks like it also has mature content, which is kind of weird. I'm going to see if I can't go and install that right here. So let's pop onto the App Store and search up Air. If I could spell correctly, get that it has almost a 5-star review out of 177 ratings. So let's hope this is going to be what we've been looking for. Open it up right here. It's by Darrensoft apparently. It has picked up my Wi-Fi network. Looks like I have to enter in a URL in my browser, so let's go and do that right now. 192.168. So let's pop right in there and see what it does. See, it looks like it wants a web password, or I guess I could enter in a password, but I'm not gonna do that because as you can see I'm already in here. How do I get a file from my phone to the computer? It's like they have picked up nothing at all. Wi-Fi status right there. It's like you can unlock all features. So let's see, what features do you have to unlock? Okay, so it's just telling me, oh, you can unlock features. Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to unlock. Purchase failed. Yeah, I think that's user error because of programming error. If I can click on add, oh, it looks like I can import in photos and videos. So it wants to access my photos. And here you go. We can go right here. We can select all 3 screen recordings. Click on plus. The photo is in iCloud. Would you like to download it from iCloud? Well, sure, let's do that. It actually detected that. That's a good sign. So now if we go into category, it has detected 3 movies. Click on that. Can I select these movies? I can play them from here. See, it's playing right now. If I go to select, possibly, I can delete them, or I can share them. Let's see. Unable to load. What does that mean? Uh-oh. I just realized what happened. If you look right on the web browser, here are our 3 videos. Let me see if I can download them now. This might actually work. Preparing itself. It just started our download. Let's throw that in our folder. Extract that. And here you go. What the heck? And we can play it right from here. It's like it's in the full 60 frames per second. This is impressive. Let's see what resolution we have. If it downscaled at all. We're doing it at 42 frames per second. It looks like 750 by 1334. That's the iPhone screen resolution. Let's try one more full resolution file just to make sure that we don't lose any quality. Now we can pop right into AirTransfer, import photos and videos. Alright, now we can import this in. It's like it's already imported. All has 4. There's our move. So now it automatically, it looks like refreshes about every 14 seconds. Yet it's already populated there. Download that now. Open the file. Extract again. We're going to check out what resolution this recorded in. Camera. This should be doing 1080 30 frames per second. If we look at the properties, you can see 1920, 1080, 30 frames a second. You do not lose quality. It is fast. It is easy to transfer. It looks like it buffers it up so you can transfer it to your computer once you're ready. This is revolutionary. For me at least. I have spent hours trying to get this stupid USB thing working, and AirTransfer just saved it. Oh my gosh, this is the full photo library. Guys, don't even have to upload it. You can go right onto camera roll, so I can download a weird selfie of myself. And as you can see, it just starts right from the iPhone. The iPhone isn't complaining at all. Now I can have this really, really weird selfie right to the computer directly. The only thing I don't like is that you do have to download stuff, and I'm not completely sure about the security of this. It is on our local network, so it should not be able to be intercepted easily. I would recommend you turn it off. off when you're not using it. So you can have multiple different iPhones use this software. If I can show you my history, you have AirTransfer here. This is for my iPhone 7, and AirTransfer here for my iPhone SE. And one thing to note, when the app is not open, all it says is that it can not find anything, and it looks like it is having success finding stuff right now because it is in memory. So if I close it out of memory and then try and refresh, it says it's disconnected from the app. So I think that makes it a bit more secure. It isn't always going to be trying to make a connection to your local area network. If I open it back up, it refreshes pretty well. But if I go out of this connection on the computer and then go back into AirServer, sometimes it has a bit of a difficulty, sometimes it doesn't. What I find best is to close it out of your memory and load it right back in. Usually that'll get it reconnected right up. And one thing to note, you can do it on multiple different computers. This is for your entire local area network, so you do not have to go Wi-Fi to Wi-Fi. You just have to go Wi-Fi here to router to whatever device. And finally, the only limitation that I found is that you can only select up to 10 to download at once. So if you want to do more than 10, you're going to have to do it in different packets. As you can see, it says you can only select up to 10 items. I think that's fine. That's literally the only limitation I found. I did have one issue where I was downloading files, and for some reason it did it in this weird format that Windows needed the new codec to read in, but it was only doing that for my black iPhone, so I think that might have been an issue with the iPhone 7 and not with AirTransfer. I've been really happy with this software. Reliable, quick. It is so much easier than the USB. It takes out so many different errors that just made it a headache to try to create content using the iPhone. This is gonna make my life a whole lot easier. I am so happy I discovered this. The reviews do not lie. 5-star from me. Go and check it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was informative and I hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next one.